I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
Attention, please. That fire alarm you all heard was a false fire alarm. There was no fire drill planned, and there was no fire. Someone pulled the fire alarm. It is now safe to go inside the building. Thank you.
Holland, someone pulled the fire alarm and scared everyone in the school. Do you know who it was?
Yes, I do. I was the one who pulled the fire alarm.
Holland, I can't believe you would do something like that. You made the police and firefighters come, and there was no fire. I will be calling your parents so we can discuss consequences.
Holland, we cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm when there was no fire.
Thank you for coming, Mr. and Mrs. Kwang. I'm sure you already know what Holland did. Let's discuss consequences. She is going to be suspended for 2 days. When she gets back from her suspension, she will have detention to write an apology letter to us and the fire department. I need you to sign the paper agreeing that Holland is not allowed on school grounds for 2 days.
There. Done.
All right. You may leave now.
All right, Holland. Let's go home right now.
And you will be punished.
Yeah.
Holland, stop crying right now.
But Mom, I pulled the fire alarm because we had finals in class.
No. The reason why you had finals in class is because your last day of school is in 6 days. So you need to be tested so that they know how you did in your class. When we get home, you will be punished big time.
Holland, for pulling the fire alarm, you are grounded for 5 years.
Go to your room right now.
Yeah.